Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to level up in Galactic Frontier, especially if you're a new player and don't want to hit early progression walls. So first things first, food is everything in this game. You need food to level up your champion heroes, and it's extremely limited. You can get it from story missions just like what I'm doing at the moment, but you can't gather it freely and you can't just buy unlimited packs, so wasting it early will slow you down hard. And here's the big mistake to avoid. Don't dump food into heroes you won't use long term. If you're free to play, you'll likely rely on some purple hero, so investing a bit is fine, but if you're not free to play, save your food for gold heroes and skip leveling purple ones you'll replace quickly. Next, once you hit level 11, you'll unlock the Radiant feature, and this is huge for leveling. Radiant gives you passive income, including food and training manuals. So you want to make sure you clear it regularly because that food adds up fast and directly fuels hero progression. Another major way to level up faster is rallying tribute vessels. These give large chunks of food, especially as you progress through the story. On top of that, they drop ship components and blueprints and helps you progress through the story. And for free-to-play players, this is one of the best way to grow your fleet and overall power. So to level up efficiently in Galactic Frontier, you want to protect your food, use Radiant for passive income, and rally tribute vessels whenever possible. Just do those three things consistently and your heroes, ships, and overall account level will grow much faster. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.